I love my Mueller K-cup coffee maker, but it's starting to get clogged, only dispensing about half the water per cup. Ideas on how to fix it.
What's the brand and model of your coffee maker? How old is it?
Mueller Model U-700, over a year old.
How long has this been going on with your coffee maker? What have you tried so far?
AC505K.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, most common reasons for your issue are: 1. K-cup pack holder may be clogged. Clean K-cup pack holder if necessary and rinse under running water. 2. Not enough water to brew the selected size. Make sure there is enough water in the reservoir to brew the selected serving size. 3. Calcium or scale has built up. Your coffee machine will require descalling. I hope this helps.
I need specific instructions regarding the Mueller K-cup coffee maker. Please advise as to how to descale this particular coffee maker. No call. I'd rather buy a new one.
The descaling is an easy process and should take about 30 to 40 minutes to descale the brewer. Step 1. Make sure you have at least 8 ounces of undiluted white vinegar on hand. You will also need a 10 ounces ceramic mug. Do not use a paper cup, and access to a sink. Step 2. Fill reservoir with 8 ounces of undiluted white vinegar. Place a ceramic mug on the drip tray plate. Step 3. Close the brew head and perform a brew into the ceramic mug, without adding a K-cup pack. Step 4. Allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes. Step 5. After 30 minutes perform a brew. Empty the contents of the ceramic mug into the sink. Be careful as contents may be hot. Step 6. Fill the reservoir with 8 ounces of clean filtered water and close the brew head. Place a cup on the drip tray and perform a brew. Step 7. Repeat step 6 3 times. Place, to get rid of any residual taste from the vinegar. The brewer is now ready for normal use again. I hope this helps.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.